Welcome to Qiggz. In this video, we'll learn how to manage Team Builder applications and chat with vendors on Qiggz step by step. So, let's get started. After posting your gig, vendors near your selected location will be able to apply. To view their applications, go to your poster dashboard and click the chat icon. You'll see two tabs, Chat and Team Builder. Click the Team Builder tab to view all your posted team gigs. In Active tab, click on your posted gig and then go to the View All Profiles and click on it. Here, you'll see all the vendors who have applied. When a vendor applies, their application first appears in the Pending section. From here, you can either decline or chat with them. If you decline, the vendor moves to the Ignored tab. If you chat, it means you've accepted their request and they'll appear on the inbox. From your chat inbox, you can communicate directly with the vendor, discuss project details, and make decisions easily. That's how you manage applications and communicate with your vendors on Qiggz. Thanks for watching.